I can remember as a little kid going down the basement and watching the old Linotype machines where, you'd make your own lead bars of type. And I sat there for hours just amazed watching that. The Institutes are the industry's trusted and respected knowledge leader. We are the country's largest publisher of insurance text and insurance educational material. We have averaged over 2 million impressions a month. We live in a world now where people want stuff instantaneously. I don't have the time and the luxury to sit down and bring in a whole new process. That could take me weeks.
We knew that Chris was looking for a change and that he was looking to deliver still an incredibly high quality product, but in less time, at less cost. And that's why we felt that Brenva would be a natural fit for Chris.
It's always a little scary changing to a new technology. So I needed to see my application, my product in print, on paper, before I was satisfied.
Show him how it works with his applications on his media.
Watching it run there and the speed and quality of the material that was coming off just seemed like a natural fit. One of the things that worked well for us was the free flow process not being different from our iGens. I felt that it was going to be a pretty seamless transition, and it really was. We probably saved about $125,000 in supplies alone over a toner-based operation. That's the beauty of working with the Brenvas. That speed and the quality that we get off those machines just makes my job easier.
We need Chris to be successful, and we're highly invested in that. But we came to him a few months after install and said, how would you like a speed upgrade? And who's gonna turn that down? So he jumped all over it, taking it from 182 impressions per minute to 300 impressions per minute.
Somebody calls me up, I need 30 books today, can you do that? I say, absolutely, we can do that. And that's satisfying, being able to say yes almost constantly to any request that we get. Speed is production. Production is meeting customer demand. If those are the boxes you need to check off, Brenva's for you.